today guys we're going to replace this lanyard with a retractable curly one. Now I found that in the past this was curled through the chain, a lot longer than the chain, and it would hang down quite low, and although it was wound through the chain links, at times it would have a little bit of loop and could probably catch on something, and remove this and activate the brakes. So just to remove it, just give it a tug. See the pin ejects. Take your new one. Now if you ever remove this, don't grab it at this end and yank it, because it's going to have a whiplash effect and whack your back. So all you do is slot that in. Once it's inserted, fully inserted, next time you go to hook this on, you've got a little clip, and if for some reason you disconnect, when that pulls, out it comes, brakes go on. That's it. It's the replacement of a standard wire-fed unit with a curly cord and a. Now, if for some reason the actual pin is different to this model that you get with the lanyard, you can actually cut that off and wind this through that black loop, and therefore you don't need to use this part. It depends what, most are interchangeable, but all brands are a little bit different.